Are you having problems with Facebook, Meta, not locating the image pipeline native DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. I've diagnosed the pathing error, and I'm going to show you how to restore the file. I've linked the primary utility for Image Pipeline Native in the description to help you skip the manual fix. This is the Image Pipeline Native, the native image pipeline library. It provides the localized unmanaged C++ routines for high-speed localized image loading and localized memory caching in React Native-based desktop applications, mandatory for localized fluid UI transitions in modern social media apps. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. Since Image Pipeline Native DLL is a third-party dependency belonging to the Facebook/Meta toolkit, performing a fresh installation of your host application where you received the error is the only way to ensure the library is correctly placed. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Image Pipeline Native. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system counter manifests. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodc_r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Technical warning: many online file mirrors provide versions of Image Pipeline Native DLL that are either corrupted or intentionally modified, putting your privacy at risk without resolving the underlying execution error. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. Maintain a more reliable system by reviewing the software resource below related to managing Image Pipeline Native library references. If we successfully synchronize the missing library for Image Pipeline Native today, liking this video helps others find the solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.